Standing behind us.
Pointed in me though, not the explosion.
I love how they're sitting there. We're all the way back.
I know you guys are all behind us.
That's why we brought you. We need a shield.
Wait, where's it going?
It's not doing anything.
Oh, don't do that. Wait, is it going yet?
Getting away now.
No.
Come on, wait.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
I'm really... Nothing's happening.
Wait for it.
It takes a little bit.
It's very scientific.
Yeah.
Scientific.
It is. You'll know when it goes.
It's like
This isn't anything
Newton's
like
kind
October
of stuff.
sky.
Well, it's not gonna go up. It's just gonna like.
I feel like I'm in October sky.
I don't even see it.
Who's Homer Hickam?
Definitely not me.
Wait for it.
Okay.
Nothing's happening.
Where's
That's
Jordan?
probably Watkins.
No, trust me, it'll happen.
I don't know anybody else in it besides Homer Hickam.
And then there's
A
the
teacher.
one that says
How old is it?
prodigious all the time. And then there's the jock one. The jock one.
The one kid's in. He's the Shermanator. in American Pie.
I started watching that and I thought of you and your explanation of it to me.
My explanation.
You told me what American Pie meant.
Oh, yeah.
We were like, I know exactly where we were too. Right before that pond, before Moorfield.
I'm getting really disappointed, guys.
Yeah, what's wrong with this one?
Why is there nothing happening?
I have no idea.
I thought I was going to see...
How old is that work
I'm
stuff?
going to start complaining.
Is that from last time we
Yeah,
did it,
throw
or-
some rocks. That'll help.
John got an idea.
No, that didn't work last. Oh, actually, it did work last time. Why didn't it?
If I can put it here, I'd just
get a handful.
I hope they get really...
Johnson.
Wow, it fell over.
Did you take it up there? We didn't put it off in.
Mm.
I'm not going back down there.